A car fire can escalate in seconds, and choosing the wrong extinguisher could cost precious time. Here are 5 car fire extinguishers worth comparing before hitting the road again. And if something catches your eye, I've linked every product in the description below. Starting the countdown at number 5, the Amerex B417T is a 2.5-pound ABC dry chemical fire extinguisher with a wall bracket. Its multi-purpose ABC agent is intended for Class A, B, and C fires, giving it broad emergency coverage in one cylinder. That makes it useful for drivers who want a traditional extinguisher that can address several common fire types. The main limitation for this automotive list is the included wall bracket, not a dedicated vehicle bracket, so secure in-car mounting needs extra consideration. Its 8x5 by 16-inch dimensions also matter when planning storage carefully inside a vehicle. If you want straightforward ABC coverage and can install it safely inside your vehicle, check the Amazon link below for current availability and details. Coming in at number 4, the Buckeye 13315 combines multi-purpose ABC dry chemical protection with a vehicle bracket, making it a direct fit for automotive emergency storage. Its agent is suitable for Class A, B, and C fires, while the anodized aluminum valve assembly is designed for strength and corrosion resistance. A color-coded gauge lets you check operating status at a glance, which is useful before road trips or vehicle inspections. The included vehicle bracket helps keep the extinguisher secured instead of rolling around in a trunk or cargo area. It carries 2.5 pounds of extinguishing agent, so space still matters when choosing a mounting location. If this setup matches your vehicle, check the Amazon link below for current details. Taking the 3rd spot, the First Alert Auto 5 is designed specifically for automotive use and carries a UL-rated 5B classification. Its universal fit and included mounting bracket with strap make it easier to secure inside vehicles. A durable metal head, metal pull pin, and corrosion-resistant color-coded gauge focus on reliable operation and quick status checks. The waterproof, chemical-resistant instruction label is another practical touch for something that may stay stored in a vehicle for long periods. This model is compact and straightforward, aimed at drivers who want dedicated car fire protection without a complicated setup. If you prefer a familiar automotive-focused design with included mounting hardware, you can compare the current price and availability through the Amazon link in the description. Our runner-up at number 2, the H3R HalGuard HG100C stands out because it uses a clean halitron agent instead of dry chemical powder. That means residue-free discharge, which matters around dashboards, wiring, engine bays, electronics, paint, and custom interiors. The listing describes it as compact, rechargeable, UL-listed, and built with a steel cylinder and all-metal valve. Its discharge range reaches up to 8 feet, and a steel mounting bracket is included for secure placement. This option makes particular sense for performance cars, classics, trucks, or builds where cleanup and component protection are major concerns. The trade-off is that it targets B and C type hazards rather than broad ABC coverage. For current details, check the Amazon link below before buying. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Kidde Auto 5 M5G, built specifically for cars and trucks. Its 5B rating targets common vehicle hazards involving flammable liquids, gases, and electrical equipment, while 2 pounds of sodium bicarbonate dry chemical provide the extinguishing agent. The all-metal valve assembly, impact-resistant handle, easy pull safety pin, and readable pressure indicator make routine checks simple. Kidde lists an 8 to 12 second discharge time and 4 to 6 foot range, giving drivers clear expectations for emergency use. A UL-approved strap bracket is included for mounting and storage, and the compact design suits vehicles where space is limited. For broad automotive relevance and straightforward readiness, it earns the top spot. Check the Amazon link below for current details, pricing, and availability. All 5 Amazon product links are in the description below, so check current prices and availability before choosing. For more practical automotive gear comparisons and reviews, subscribe to Auto Review Lab.